Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start discussing previous year question of MSc Zoology entrance test conducted in 2021 by Punjab University. So, first question states that dolphins belong to which group? The correct answer is mammals. Okay, dolphins are the aquatic and mammals. And so do whales. Whales are also mammals. Why? Because they have mammary glands. Next, locomotory organs of echinoderms are called. The correct answer is tube feet. So these tube feet they help in locomotion in echinoderms. Or example क्या है echinoderm का? Starfish, right? Next question. Melatonin is a hormone of the correct answer is pineal gland. So pineal gland secrete this melatonin, and the main function of this hormone is regulating circadian rhythm, right? Next question. Which of the following are uricotelic means they secrete uric acid as nitrogenous waste. So animals which face a shortage of water, to conserve the water, they secrete uric acid. So the correct answer would be reptiles and birds, right? Next question. Which of the following is a globefish? The correct answer is Tetradon. This fish is known as globefish or also pufferfish. You have seen a fish like this, and these have some spines like, and here's a mouth, two eyes. This is example, and this is called globefish or pufferfish or tetradon. Next question. The gills of elasmobranchs are. The answer is lamelliform gills. And what are the example of elasmobranchs? Sharks. They have lamelliform type of gills. Lamelliform means they have plate-like gills, right? Next question. Egg-laying mammal is. The correct answer is platypus, and they belong to monotreme subclass, right? Next question. Whales belong to order. The answer is cetacea, right? Bats belong to Chiroptera, okay? Carnivora like lions, tiger, etc. And Proboscidea we have elephant. Whales, dolphin, they belong to cetacea, right? Next question. Fangs of snakes are. They are modified maxillae. Right, or maxillary teeth, they modified into fangs of snake. Next question. Raptorial feet are present in. The correct answer is vultures, eagles, and owls. What is the role of raptorial feet? Capturing. They capture prey. Right. Next question. Phenomena of neoteny is not shown by. The correct answer is frog. Right. And what is neoteny? Neoteny. It is the retention of larval characters. Because in frog what? A tadpole metamorphized into adult frog, and that completely lost the larval characters, right? Next question. Green gland is excretory organ of. The answer is crustacea, and the crustacea include prawns, right? Next, the codont teeth are present in. The correct answer is reptiles. So codont teeth are, these are thecodont teeth are present in reptiles, and these teeth are set in sockets. Like these are the gums, so these teeth will be set up in sockets, right? Next question. Free swimming larva of Aurelia is. The correct answer is planula. Planula is a free swimming larva of Aurelia or jellyfish, right? Next question. The most conspicuous system absent in Taenia is. The correct answer is digestive system. Taenia, also called tapeworm. They belong to Aschelhelminthes, and they do not have digestive system, right? And if they do not have digestive system, how will they absorb? How will they intake nutrients? With the help of body surface, right? Next question. Jacobson organ is present in. The correct answer is uromastics. Uromastics. And what uromastic belong to? Reptiles. And these Jacobson organs, they are associated with smell sensation. Yes, smell detection. Right. Next question. The transition zone where two different type of communities meet, they called ecotone. So ecotone is a transition zone between two ecosystems. Right. Next question. Jim Corbett Park is known for. The correct answer is tigers. So this Jim Corbett National Park, it is known for tigers. Right. Next question. The respiratory organ of spiders are. The correct answer is book lungs. Spider respire through these book lungs. Next, vibrissae are associated with function of. The answer is tactile perception. What are vibrissae? They are present in animals with their mouth and long hair like structures. Next, peripatus belongs to. The correct answer is onychophora. So peripatus belong to this phylum, and it act as a connecting link. Between annelids and arthropoda. Right. Next question. Which of the following is not part of ambulacral system? The correct answer is excurrent canal. Excurrent canal is not part of ambulacral system of echinoderms, right? And ambulacral system, they are associated with echinoderms, right? Next question. Prawn and cockroach belong to the same what? Phylum. They belong to same phylum, right? Because they have different classes. Crustacea, right? Crustacea and cockroach is insect, but they belong to same phylum, that are arthropoda. Right. Next question. Feathers of at the base of wing quills are called. The answer is coverts. They are small feathers covering the bases of wing quills. Right. Next question. Bavarian ossicles are found in. The answer is fishes, and they aid in hearing. Right. Next question. Halters are modified. The correct answer is hind wings, and they are present in insects like mosquito. Sorry, not in mosquito, in musca or housefly, and they are balancing organs. Right. You have seen that whenever we put a hot cup of tea, the fly directly fall into this hot cup of tea, and not here and not there. Why? Because the moisture is absorbed by these halters. The halters get heavier and the balance बिगड़ता है, and the housefly they directly drop in the mug of tea. Right. Next question. Most fossils are found in. The correct answer is sedimentary rocks, because they are preserved in them. Next question. The wings of bird and wings of insect are called. The answer is analogous organs. They have, because why? They have same function. What? Different origin. What does this mean? They are showing a convergent evolution where origin is different but function is same, that is flying. Next question. The earliest era in the geological record is the answer is Precambrian era. It was the earliest geological era. Next question. Which of the following is primarily an ectotherm? The answer is lizard. And what are ectotherm? They are cold-blooded animal. Right? Next question. Which of the following is not a larval stage of liver fluke? The answer is Cysticercus larva. It's a larva of tapeworm, tinea, and not liver fluke or fasciola hepatica. Right? Next question. Which of the following is a chemoreceptor? The answer is Osphaeridium, and it occurs in mollusks. Next question. Which of the following is a vertebrate? The answer is glowfish or tetrodon. It's a vertebrate because it is fish. Right? Silverfish क्या है? Insect. Devilfish क्या है? Echinoderm, or another name for octopus. And cuttlefish, see, What is this, right? Next question, nervous system is ventrally located in. The answer is earthworm. In earthworm, the nerve cords, they are ventral in position. Next question, which one of the following is concerned with the color vision? The correct answer is cones. Cones in the retina are responsible for color vision. Next, Golchidium larva is found in the phylum. The answer is mollusca, right? And in mollusk, typically they are found in bivalves like you knew, right? Next question, Aristotle lantern is found in. The correct answer is sea urchin. Sea urchin, echinoderms, right? And this Aristotle lantern, it is a feeding apparatus. It helps in feeding. Next, peripatus is concerned a connecting link between. We earlier discussed as well. The answer is annelids and arthropod. Next, the volume of gas inspired or expired with each breath is known as tidal volume. So, tidal volume, the air we inspire or expire with each breath, right? Which of the following is an inhibitory neurotransmitter? Inhibitory neurotransmitter. The answer is GABA. GAV, right? Next, which of the following cause instability of lysosomal membrane? The correct answer is cortisone. Cortisone, they destabilize lysosomal membrane. Next, sarcoplasmic reticulum is formed of. The answer is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Next, prokaryotic flagellum has a protein called. The correct answer is flagellin, right? So prokaryotic flagella, they are made up of the protein flagellin. Next, cytochrome C is a mobile carrier between. The answer is complex 3 and 4th, right? And this cytochrome C, it transfers electron between complex 3rd to complex 4th, right? Next, antibody diversity is generated by. The correct answer is somatic mutations. Somatic mutations, right? Next, diastase converts. The correct answer is starch into maltose. Fossil hominids of the genus Australopithecus have been recovered mainly from. The correct answer is southern and eastern Africa. The author of classic work Origin of Life on Earth is. The answer is Oparin, right? He proposed a theory of the origin of the life. Next question. Genetic drift occurs when a few individuals colonize an island. This particular phenomena is called founder effect, right? Where small population colonize a new area, that shows founder effect. Next question, Haversian canals are found in. The correct answer is long bones of rabbit. Long bones of a rabbit. Next, ninth vertebra of frog is. The answer is procellus. Procellus. It means from the anterior side it is concave, right? Next question, terrestrial insects excrete. Terrestrial insects excrete. The answer is uric acid. The answer is uric acid. And why uric acid? To conserve water loss of water. Next, a transition mutation is. The correct answer is substitution of purine, pyrimidine with purine or pyrimidine, right? Means same base type will be involved. Next question, calmodulin is a. The answer is protein that binds calcium and it regulates cellular processes. Next question, intercellular signaling in which one cell can communicate with other over long distance is called. The answer is endocrine. Endocrine signaling, and it occurs via hormones. It occurs via hormones. While paracrine, autocrine, juxtacrine, they occurs through chemicals, right? From evolutionary point of view, which one of the following is closer to man? The answer is dolphin. Dolphin, they are closer to humans. Next, when a trait exhibits complete dominance, a cross between heterozygotes produce. The answer is 3:1. 3:1, right? Lyon hypothesis is based on dosage compensation. And what is dosage compensation? X chromosome inactivation. Say we have 2 chromosomes, 1 X chromosome that inactivate. Next, Turner syndrome is represented by the condition. The answer is X. Turner syndrome is individuals have this type of karyotype. Where 1 X chromosome is missing. Next, plasmid can take insert of. The answer is 10 kb. 10 kb, right? Plasmodulin falciparum causes. The answer is malaria, right? And it is most severe form of malaria. Appetite is controlled by. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. It controls appetite, thirst, and also temperature regulation. Pyrimidine dimers are corrected by. The correct answer is nucleotide excision repair. And pyrimidine dimers, they result through UV exposure. UV exposure. Next question. In a repressible regulation, the gene is regulated by. The answer is product of its enzyme activity. Product of its enzyme pathway. Right? Next question. In which form the carbon dioxide is carried in the blood? The answer is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. Most of the carbon dioxide is transported as sodium bicarbonate in blood. Next, crossing over occurs between. The correct answer is chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Chromatids of homologous chromosome. These are the homologous chromosome. These involve in the crossing overs. Next, venous blood is carried to the lungs for oxygenation by. The answer is pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries, right? Next question. Phenylketonuria in a human disease is a human disease. A person affected by disease suffers from. The answer is mental idiocy. Mental idiocy means mental retardation. Next, pancreatic duct transport secretion from pancreas to. The answer is duodenum. Next, the insect vector of leishmaniasis is tsetse fly, right? And this is also known as sand fly or Phlebotomus, right? Next, Trypanosoma gambians produces in man. क्या produce करती है? Sleeping sickness. Next question. Which of the following is soft coral? The answer is Alcyonium. It is a soft coral. Which of the following is an example of jawless fish? The answer is lamprey. They are jawless fish or agnathan. No jaws. Agnatha means jaw. Next question. Integumentary respiration takes place in collembola. Example, springtails. And what is integumentary respiration? That takes place through the skin or integument, right? Last question. Spongosoil of a sponge is lined by. The answer is choanocytes. And they are also called collar cells. I think this question paper was quite easy. So do prepare well, students. Thank you so much.